We should be so lucky in this country, to have the great Australian bush and the outdoors that we do. And in the off-road space, we know that a lot of you, I'm going to call you hardcore off-roaders, love to get into this sort of situation where you need that level of articulation, right? So we also know that the anti-roll bar on all vehicles is designed to stop that level of movement, right? That's what it's designed to do. So Nolathane, being on the case as they are, know that you hardcore off-roaders like to remove a link sometimes off that anti-roll bar. So thinking ahead, they've done this for you. So before I get to that, standard anti-roll bar or sway bar drop link, heavy duty anti-roll bar or sway bar drop link, same thing. And now this, a really quick, easy to remove anti-roll bar drop link. Now that's really clever. Nicely coated, thick material, heavy duty, greasable ball joint on the end there, nice and tight, that's important, not flogged around like you see a lot of them. And this pin, look, pull the linch pin out, bang, off she drops, out she goes, maximum articulation, back in, back on the road, and away you go. So, thing I like about that, just tells me that Nolathane don't just think about the masses, which they do, they think about the enthusiast, you and me.